Hi guys, as I walking to the my mom place, this is the there's a garden here. Okay, let's go to my mom house. There is a little garden here, lots of flowers, beautiful flowers. Alright guys, as I'm walking, I see this tree here. Ito po ay, this is apple guys. See this? It's a bunch of apples now. Maliliit pa. Pero ang daming apple oh. Mga mansanas. Nasa ano lang. Pasok tayo. Okay, daan tayo sa likod. Wala tayo sa likod lang. Oh, it's lock. Okay guys, after 2 weeks, this is Mark Sibul. Check natin yung garden na tinanim ko. Dito. Ayan. Ano? May bulaklak na yung mga kamatis. Oh. Saka yung mga ano, lalaki na onions. Kamatis. Dami. Yung upo guys, gumagapang na. Yun o. Pakyat dito. Hanggang doon. Yan. Mix. Ayan, palaya din. Ito po na naman, gumagapang na rin. Ayan, kamatis. Ayan, may ano rito, kalabasa. Ayan o. Okay, dito tayo sa kabila, sa may puno rito, may storage. Dami ng bunga ng cherry. You know? Mga hinog na. Mga bunga oh. Hinog na yung mga bunga. Hinog na yung mga bunga guys. Subukan natin guys. Sarap. Kaya pa rito. Yung mga bunga oh. Mga cherry. Subukan natin to. Sarap. Ito. Kamatis oh. Ayan palaya, kamatis. Amay. Kamatis din. May nang bulaklak. Yan. Ito may sitaw. Pag magapang na. Yun. May mga kamuti ron. Yun o. Arito guys, may mga ano raspberry din, mga pahinog na, dami na oh. Nabunga oh. Pwede nang kainin. Ayun oh. Dami na. May bunga raspberry. Pipitasin ko yan. Lagay ko sa cereal, masarap. Ito may kamatis pa rito guys. May mga bunga na. Ayun o. Ayun o, lalaki. Bunga na. Yan, may saluyot pa. Ayun o. Tapos onion uli. Tapos to cucumber. Yan. Dami na. Yan. Sitaw. Kalabasa. Kamatis uli. Mix. Tapos yan. Tapos kalkalunay. Kamatis. Nagapang na. Garden. Sili. Bunga na guys. Oh. Yan. Tapos to masarap to. Sarap sa salad to. Yan. Guys, may flowers dito, bouquet ginawa ko. May mga flowers na mitas ako ng flowers. Okay, tapos na. Lagay ko rito. Yan. Guys, after visiting my mom garden, walking to the park, I'm in the middle of the street. Siga. Let's go to the park, guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go walk to the park. All right, guys, see this beauty. Okay guys, all the plant now, its tree are all green. Okay, this is Mark Sibul vlog, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell button if you want more update to my videos. Okay. Okay, this is the way how to get into the water. As I'm walking, guys, update to the walk that I'm walking. Akala ko marijuana. There's a jungle here. All the trees and the park. Okay. Okay, we're here. Very quiet, guys. Only you hear is just the bird and a fish. There's a duck right there. Guys, there's a lot of fish. You big one there. Look at the color on that duck. It's very colorful. Okay, as I walking to the water, guys, let's go to the Poris. Okay? Pakita ko sa inyo Poris dito. Gaano kalalaki ang mga puno, saka dire-diretso tayo, you know. See that tree? Taas. Pero tayo diretso. Okay. Ang forest dito. Tignan nyo, mga tintig ng mga puno. Dire-diretso. Karamihan, this is a silver maple tree. And there's a maple there. And it's white. So there's a white maple. And it's there's an oak. This big one here is an oak tree. Okay, and there's and some of the bird's eye maple on that tree over there, that tree. Okay guys, sometimes there's animals on these Poris. But now it's nothing I can see. Okay. It's just the bird. It's very quiet. See all the bird sound? Anyway guys, the whole Poris, ako lang ang tao rito. The punos, look at this. That's a silver maple. I don't know if it's a bird's eye maple or just a regular wood maple. Ito lang dito guys, pinuputo lang ang mga puno rito. Yan o. Mga lumber pero wala lang, nabubulok lang. Ay mga puno, lalaki. Ang tatangkad. Ito ang dami. Hey guys, it's an oak tree right there. I don't know, it's a white oak or red oak. Ganun dito eh. May white o kaya red. May bird's eye maple, may regular maple, and ash, and some of the birds and cedar trees. Yan guys, palabas na tayo sa woods. Okay, it's going to walk again. Too many sidewalk. Nice and quiet. Okay, beautiful. There you go. Pinawisan ako. It's a beautiful woods there. So I came from. And the neighborhood. Now back to the city. Yan na. Diyan. This is our sidewalk there. It's our sidewalk. Back to the residential. And this is all the woods here. And lang. Okay. And that's it for today. Mark Sibul Vlog. Bye for now, and more videos to come. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button. Okay, bye for now.